Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I'm here to do an unboxing slash unbagging. This is a brand new company I started getting subscriptions to, and it is a sewing slash quilting subscription bag. So when I went to open the bag, it was so tightly filled in there, I kind of did a little snip and I kind of snipped my little bag there, but that's okay. I'm going to fix that up with a little, I have some kind of fabric mending kit here. But this is a, like I said, a new subscription box slash bag that I just started, and I wanted to share it with you. So I did take it out of the packaging and I did open it up because I wasn't sure what it was when it came. You ever get like that? Like, you know, things come to you in the mail and you don't remember them, but that's the fun of opening packages that come to you in the mail, including cards or gifts or subscription bags. So let's go ahead and open this up, and I love that they put it in this cute little bag because it can be reusable for many other things. So let's go ahead and open this up. Now this is called Patchwork Parcel, a monthly quilting surprise. It says, feel free to share your project on Patchwork Parcel's Facebook page at www.facebook.com/patchworkparcel. So what's in the bag? So it says this month's fabric bundle, and that's the kit that I subscribe to, is the fabric bundle, because I'm always looking for new fabrics and fun things to make with them. And this month's fabric bundle features country prints from the Prairie Sisters collection by Gina Barney and Lori Woods of Popple Cotton. Love those chickens, and I have had the chickens before in the Creative Notions subscription box, which I love them too. So check out their blog here, where they post tips and tutorials. Oh, I'll bring that up for you to see. Happy quilting, and this comes from Elaine at patchworkparcel.com, and they're in MT. Is that Montana? I'm geographically challenged, so and that's where they're located at. So you can check them out over on their website. They have a few different subscription parcels to choose from. So let's take a look at what's in here. So yeah, this is fun, right? So look at it, it's tied with this pretty little ribbon, and I love these fabrics with these country prints. I'll just slip this off. So let's take a look. Look at this, and I believe, are they half yard or are they a yard? I want to. I don't know. I don't remember if they're a yard or half yard. Maybe they're half yard. Don't quote me on that because I don't remember. But look at how cute that is. I love the colors. I love the print of these beautiful flowers, and I love that they all color coordinate. So here's another one with some script on it. And what does it say? Let me see if I can read what it says. I don't know, am I upside down? Is it French? Is it, I will, I don't know. I don't know. That's all I got to say. I don't know what it is. I can't read it. Maybe it's not even English. I'm not sure. Now here's those cute little chickens. I love that. Look at how beautiful that goes together with this fabric here. It's so fun. It's nice and vibrant. And I love this one as well. It's just so like country-ish. These would be great for those. Did you see that video I did on the bowl cozies? Wouldn't this be fantastic to make the bowl cozies? I think so. I don't know. Maybe aprons? Maybe little tote bags? I don't know. But if I can't think of what to make, look, they even include a pattern book. And let me get this out of here. This pattern book has 3 different choices of things you can make. There's a table runner, which this would be so cute on the table. There's placemat with napkins, and then there's a wall pocket hanger. I could always use that. That is so much needed. And the pattern is by Vanilla House Designs, and it says crisscross table runner and other gifts. So there's video demos available online, which is super cute. And super fun because I'm a visual person. I mean, to read all this and to understand it, me not so good with that. So here, they do have photos here. They have general instructions. I believe it's stapled in the center. So I won't be able to open it up that way, but all step-by-step instructions on how to put it together. All different types of, here's even to do little napkins. I mean, even if you don't use this fabric, you can use this certainly with any other fabric you have. And this is super, super fun. So here's crisscross table runner and gifts. 3 projects featuring crisscross blocks. A fabulous table runner, pocket placemat with matching napkin, and a wall hanger with pockets to organize all your papers from around the house. This pattern also has 4 additional online video demos. Oh, fantastic. And definitely, rotary blade is the way to go if you're cutting any fabric. I love mine. So they're Vanilla House Designs. You can find them at vanillahousedesigns.com and vanillahousetoday.com. And yeah, this looks like it's going to be really fun. I love the fabric. I think, I'm going to see what they have coming up. It is a monthly subscription, and I told them I was going to be doing the unboxing and the video so I can share it with all my friends. So I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. And next to that, there's a little bell. Ring that little bell. You'll receive notifications when I upload new videos. So again, thanks so much for joining me. And I hope you enjoyed this fun little fabric unboxing. I love the fabrics, and I can't wait to get the machine humming. All right, everyone, have a great day. We'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.